For those of you that don't know, Reich is a fictional character, aka known as Death Note, and basically he allows you to unalive anyone simply by knowing their name and face. Overall, he's just this super scary looking demon dude that uses humans for his own entertainment. Alright, to get started, I used my handy dandy washable purple glue stick and placed a little bit of paper towel right over top. This is going to just basically protect our brows from the next piece that I'm going to lay right over top of that. I made this prosthetic out of a bunch of liquid latex and paper towels. I made this in advance a few days prior. Once this was dry, I took more liquid latex and more paper towel to apply this to my skin. I basically just wanted to really hollow out and emphasize the structure around my eyes. Then, using more liquid latex and more paper towel, I made the mouthpiece, which to create the teeth, I actually used fake nails and cut these to be super sharp. Then just sandwiched these in between the paper towel with more liquid latex. Same thing, you're just going to apply this right on the skin using more of that latex and a sponge. Remember to apply this in light layers and make sure it's dry before applying any makeup or paint over top. Once I have both prosthetics attached to my face and the liquid latex is dry, I'm ready to move on. So I'm using black face paint on the inside around my eyes, as well as the mouth. Then I want it to be super duper pale, so I used this like light grayish color all over my face and neck. You can see that I extend the mouth paint underneath the prosthetic to really emphasize or enhance the size of the mouth to better match the character. Now, instead of using purple for the lips, I ended up using more black and red. It's up to you how similar you want to match the character versus adding your own twist to it, but I used more of that red and black paint to create the shape of the mouth. I also applied this on the teeth just to give it more of like the horror factor. I used more of that black face paint to extend the shape of the eye and to give more like texture and wrinkly look to the skin. Then I added just a little bit of a small triangle to the end of my nostrils to change the shape of my nose to give more of that like snout type appearance that the character has. The wig I just made out of a bunch of faux fur from the craft store. It's literally just a sheet of faux fur attached to a headband that I placed on top of my head. And then I also got these like little spiky, I don't even know what they are. They were in the floral section at the craft store, but I thought they also went well with the appearance to match the costume better. Then I had a pair of black angel wings and yellow contact lenses. And that's everything for this look. It's super freaky, but it was actually a lot of fun to put together. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Check out the description box for more information, discount codes, and links to shop. Make sure that you're subscribed to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.